i35equipment.com. This is John Deere 160 C LC hydraulic track excavator. This is a legal load machine, measuring in at 102 wide over the tracks. It does have the front work light as well as a thumb already installed. If you're not familiar with the thumb, pretty much makes two machines out of one. Not only is your excavator able to dig and scoop, it's also able to grab, pull, and sort. This machine has the full cab, travel alarm, horn, cold working air conditioning. It's outfitted with John Deere controls. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. We're open by appointment only. Just call and get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Sounds to be running really good. However, we welcome you to bring your mechanic or hire a local one to accompany you so you can get a professional opinion on it. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share an address to several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back to the best hauling rate that comes back to us. Also welcome you to arrange for your own hauling. Come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Sorry, our operator today is more familiar with a cat style control pattern. But as you see, he's getting used to it pretty quick. It does have the dual travel speeds, so if you need to get across the job site or ranch a little quicker. Once it gets embarked, we'll check out all the access panels, the bucket, the thumb, undercarriage, then we'll have it pin the operator station and take a look around inside there. This bucket does have 5 teeth with a weld-on cutting edge. If you don't like that cutting edge, you always have your welder cut off pretty quick. Thumb is brand new. Has different positions you can place the thumb in by pulling that pin. 2, 3 right there. Get a little closer to the bucket depending on what you're grabbing. Or you can actually unpin that arm, put the arm in the barn or underneath their step, and then just pin the thumb against the stick if you're going to need it for unhindered digging. You can't dig with it on there though if that's of interest to you. Pretty clean in the storage box. Pretty good rain here, so you might see some water around, but I'm actually not noticing any leaks on this machine. The hydraulic fluid level looks good, which should let you get in a moment. Inspect it all for yourself or have a professional inspect it, so you have a professional opinion. But it seems like a good machine. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or somebody you know has idle equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment and sales service. Let's zoom out to the fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. It does have the factory John Deere rubber floor mat you can take out for cleaning, as well as the factory John Deere suspension seat here. Shut this door. Currently sitting about 7096 hours. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Have a wonderful day.